me see you 1, 2, step.
We just got to Starbucks and I got a grande iced chai with strawberry cold foam.
And I got a grande pink drink with matcha cold foam.
They look so pretty.
They do look so pretty.
And we're gonna go to the mall and we'll see you there. Bye.
Bye.
We're back from the mall and we're gonna give you a little quick haul before we go on our hike to Waterfall. The first store we went to was Offline by Aerie. We got matching workout sets. Mine is blue.
Mine's red.
Yeah, and I got the tank top. Cute.
Yeah.
So, then we went to Hollister. And I got this sweater in the men's section. I can't tell if I think it's cute. Like, I don't know. I think it's cute. But.
And I got a swimming suit top, which I'm probably gonna wear as not only a swimming suit top.
Yeah.
That's really cute. And it's reversible.
Yeah, it's reversible.
Oh yeah.
Then we went to PacSun. And I did not know this before I entered PacSun, but they are collaborating with Brandy Melville. So I might have got a couple things in there.
This is all I got. A tube top with dark blue stripes and white.
I got these cute like sweat shorts, gray sweat shorts, and this tank top. So cute. We can wear them together. And this is all like good outfits together with all the tops.
Yeah.
And go with the shorts. And this just cute basic green shirt. I thought it was cute.
Cute.
And that was all that we got at the mall. And now we're gonna go for a little hike to the waterfall. See you there. We're gonna try and find how to get down there. Oh. Yeah. We found the trail. It's a little rough. got a little muddy, but
Yeah. Oh
But
my
it-
gosh.
yeah. But it was worth it.
Is there any... That's cool. It's like a chair out of rocks.
MTV Cribs. This is my living room, and I got me my fireplace. I got 3 chairs for my guests. I might take
Is that... What's that?
That's a big couch. I
Uh-huh.
got me nice. Well, that's the end of our hike and the mall trip. So, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.
Let me see you 1, 2, step.